name is Kim Agemy, and my passion behind this event was to bring together women in real estate to go over business strategies, but also the whole person, how to balance life and career.
Hey there, my name is Chanel Hart-Dupree. I am here in Troy, Michigan at Ditch the Heels, Put on the Sneakers event. All I know is that you are going to leave shifted after our time together. I am teaching you the dream life combination.
And I'm going to talk about how I built my business through relationship marketing and networking.
Speaker, and I cannot wait. This is actually my very first presentation in my career where I do a presentation without an actual presentation.